Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Shazad Shiraz.
And my name is Qasim Mehdi.
First of all, we would like to thank the university for providing us the opportunity to present our project and our teachers for guiding us. So, as you may have seen, that cryptocurrency is a form of digital asset that has grown a lot in the past few years. There are more than 4,000 cryptocurrencies in existence and more than 300 exchanges to trade them. But no exchange supports all 4,000 cryptocurrencies. So users have to create multiple different accounts on different exchanges to trade them. This is where our mobile application Crypto Assistant comes in to reduce the complexity by bringing all of their exchange accounts in one place.
We provide trading solutions but also additional features to facilitate the users. We provide the user with live updates about cryptocurrency market to help traders make better decisions. Our application provides recent social trends related to crypto market, also providing enhanced AI-based cryptocurrency predictions for users to benefit them. Last, in regards to security, we provide enhanced security features such as biometric authentication to safeguard the user's assets. The screen provides the user with current statistics about their favorite cryptocurrencies, while giving them an option to add or remove more. The user can also subscribe to get notification updates for crypto prices.
As we select a currency, it shows detailed graph in regards to its price history. On the bottom, there is a button to show future predictions of the currency so users can make informed decisions. As we move to the trading site, we can buy and sell cryptocurrency on different exchanges. Moving to current events, the news page shows different articles about different currencies and news related to them. Moving over to the sentiments, we can see what the internet is saying about the crypto world. Marketplace is where it all comes together, showing changes about each cryptocurrencies, their market caps and trading volumes. Selecting a currency again shows a detailed graph with all of its data.
Going towards its creation, here are the technologies which made Crypto Assistant possible. We use React Native to develop the app. React Native is an open source mobile application framework created by Facebook for developing cross-platform applications. And the backend, which is developed using Java Spring Boot, which is an application framework and an inversion control container for the Java platform. Here is a graphical representation of the system architecture. Firebase handles all the notifications, whereas Java provides authentication, prediction, and crypto news. Lastly, exchange APIs allow all the trading and statistics of the coins.